What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Happy Tuesday today. Hope you guys having a great day. We're going to be talking about some maintenance tips to help cut down the cost on your repair and stuff like that. Simple things that I simply do, really. But if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Support the channel, guys. It's all simple, regular, basic things that you could do. But with me, as you guys, some of you guys may know, may not know, I got my truck, my 2014 Ram I have. This truck, I didn't buy it brand new, so I bought it used. And it has right now 147,000 miles on the dash, and it doesn't have any kind of lights on. And it's just a simple, it's just like a simple, there's nothing special that I'm doing. It's just me simply just keeping up with my maintenance on my truck and not really trying to, for example, I'll say like whenever I hit like every probably 10,000 miles or something like that, or one of the things that you could do, I would just say simply just go into your owner book of your vehicle, and it'll tell you like when you hit certain kind of milestones with your vehicle, some things that you got to replace. You don't want to wait till it give up on you or till it causes some kind of serious issue for you to try to replace it. So that's one of the things I do personally. I try to look at, let's say right now my truck hit 150,000 miles and I gotta change out, let's say I gotta change out my pump on my truck, like I'm just naming like a regular part though. I'll just say like a pump or something like that. So whenever I gotta do that, like I don't wait till it give up. I don't really wait till it give up, but I just simply try to replace that part before it go bad. And one of the biggest thing I feel like a lot of people tend to forget about when they are, when you have a vehicle like a Ram 1500, you just gotta it's a very simple maintenance. If you don't really take care of your vehicle, it's not gonna take care of you. You just gotta simply just do regular oil change. That's pretty much like the main thing is the oil change. The oil change is like the main thing. Most of the time when I do my oil change, I just simply do full synthetic and I run the Mopar filter. Pretty much my biggest thing though, I would say what really keep my vehicle on the road is really like the fact that I have my owner book where I really just go over when I hit like a certain milestone. I just simply take a look to make sure, just to keep a head out, like, okay, this is what I need to replace. Like I don't wait for things to go bad. Like 9 times out of 10, most of the time you shouldn't wait. Or if you're not really like a car person or whatever, you don't have any kind of knowledge with cars, whenever you go get your oil change, I think Mavis or Jeffy Lubes or something like that, those are the places that we have around here. When you get like your oil change, sometimes they will do like a list check where you have like a list of things that you got to replace, pretty much that has to get fixed. But that's really like an optional thing, but it's something that's very handy though. They could give you a whole list of things that could be, needing a replacement stuff. So that's just these are simple tips and tricks. I wouldn't say tricks, but simple things that anybody should be able to do with any vehicle if you want to keep your vehicle on the road. But these are things that I'm sharing with you guys. Hopefully this helped. That's really going to be about it for this video, man. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe and take care. Peace out.